What's your name? What's the name?
Cocktail rights.
Cocktail, right?
Yeah.
Find you right now. No, but you know what? We find it. It's just yours. Thanks.
Okay.
I'll let you carry on. Thanks again
Okay.
for your help.
No problem.
See you.
Okay. Guys, traffic is kinda heavy for Sundays. What is up, guys? It's your boy Cocktail Rides. I'm back again with another freaking video. So today is Sunday. I'm going out for Sunday rides. Yes, I'm free from the traffic, bro. There was police over there. Oh my god, look at the fucking crowd, bro. Okay, look at the crowd. Look at the crowd. Look at the crowd. We are stuck here. We are stuck here. Oh, damn boy. Damn boy. Damn boy. Damn boy. Melaju tidak? Melaju ya. No way, no way. Wow, nani runu entry. Con bún brio này đây. Dạ dạ cho nè. Tak brio. Okey tak aku beli mah. Oh my god, look at this. Big procession going on by the Catholic community. Today is Sunday and there is no way out from here. Shit, bro. Guys, so much traffic. What is that end? There's a dead end over there. Dead end udar.
That,
Dead end, dead end.
that.
Dead end, dead end. No, nowhere. Here also you won't get to go.
I need to go to IIM.
IIM?
Yeah. How to go? Is there any long way to go?
No, no, it's not long. It's not long, but then
Chalega, long.
the way. Huh?
Long chalega.
No, no, IIM, right?
IIM.
IIM is just over there. Just about few blocks away. Huh?
Road is closed, no?
Yeah, the road is closed.
So how to go? Is there any other way?
Even me, I'm figuring it out.
yeah.
Because most of the roads here are no entries, no?
I don't know what's available, what's not available.
I think you have to go round from that side to Nongrim. I think if we go from the road down there, there might be some. Yeah, there might be a way. Hello bro, I'm at Nongrim. I'm at Nongrim, man, taking twisty roads. Where are you? Huh? Bro, I'm not understanding you. Wait, I'll call you once I reach in a quiet place, okay? Okay. We're almost there. Let's go. Your friend's just behind you. Ay ba, ay komandan. You guys are going to IIM Nang Thamai one, right? There are 2 IIMs here.
Okay, I think I'll find it. Basically, I have to go to this hotel called Roseville.
What?
I have to go to this hotel called Roseville.
Roseville.
We are here. We are somewhere.
Yeah, it's near. Come. This is IIM. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Alright, thanks.
no problem, no problem.
My hotel.
You guys are from Haryana?
Sorry?
You guys are from Haryana?
No, only my bike is from
Oh.
Mumbai.
Oh, you're actually from Mumbai?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, okay, okay. What's the name of your group?
Nice if you help me.
No problem, no problem.
Alright.
I have a YouTube channel, by the way.
What's your name? What's the name?
Cocktail Rights.
What right?
Cocktail Rights.
Cocktail right.
Yeah.
Find you right now.
You found a hotel? Yeah. The Rosewell, you said, right? I think for that hotel, I don't know, huh?
He doesn't know. He just brought us up to IIM.
Okay, Rosewell. Just view on satellite view.
Huh?
View the GPS on satellite view.
Yeah. I'm trying to find cocktail right. Okay, I will put that on. I'll find it later.
Yeah.
Cocktail right, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
How much kilometers have you guys ridden?
We've not done too much actually. We started in Guwahati.
You started in Guwahati?
Arunachal.
Oh, okay.
And then we came to Kaziranga and now we've come here.
Kaziranga.
Tomorrow we're done.
Okay. Even me, I'm going to Kaziranga on Saturday.
On Saturday,
Yeah.
It's a good road, very good road.
Yeah.
No, but you know what? We find it. It's just yours. Thanks.
Okay.
I'll let you carry on. Thanks again
Okay.
for your help.
No problem.
See you.
Okay, see you. I just freaking helped those guys finding this location. From rider to a rider, we have to help each other. And let me call my bro. Where's my bro at?
Hello.
Where you at, bro?
Huh?
Where you at?
I have reached Pantaloons.
What? Where?
Pantaloons.
Pantaloons? Ah, guy, there's a huge traffic, man, if you come from that side.
Where are you now?
I'm here at Nong Tamai Point.
Oh, then you be there only. I'll come there only.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Oh, I'm here on IIM side. I just came dropping some touring riders. No, they don't know IIM, so I guide them here. Okay. Call me when you reach here.
Okay.
Come to IIM first, man.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think, guys? Helping those freaking riders to reach here, because it's because of the procession that's going on. So those guys are kind of confused about the roads, about the route and all. So luckily they find me. Well, me also, I'm riding this side. So yeah.